Hey my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's so good to be back today. I'm taking you along as I create this beautiful, fun and very versatile crochet hairstyle using Gogo Curls. Here's a little preview of how it's going to turn out. So bouncing, full of life and perfect for switching up my look. If that sounds like something you would like to try, keep on watching.
Oh, it's Rita, baby.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time seeing my face, my name is Rita. You're welcome to my channel. So let's get right into the. As you can all see, this is my hair, so I blow dry my hair off camera just to stretch it out a bit and make it easier to work with. And before we go further, I know I've been a little quiet in YouTube for a while. The truth is, I've been feeling a bit overwhelmed between motherhood, running my home, managing social media, and just life in general. Phew, it's a lot. It was a lot. So I had to take a little step back and focus on myself and my family. I'm learning that it's okay to pause and take a breather when needed. But I've truly missed you all so much, and I'm happy to be back today sharing another hair video with you. So let's shift our focus back to this hair. So for this look, I've decided to go with a side pattern because I want the crochet style to be versatile. So I want to be able to rock it in different ways, sometimes flipping it to one side, sometimes styling it back, or even pinning it up. As I started braiding, you might notice from my face I was a bit uncomfortable. My scalp was actually aching me. Whoa. Seriously, I've never experienced this kind of pain in my scalp before, but so instead of doing tight small braids, I decided to go for looser braids for the base, just to keep my scalp happy, and prevent any unnecessary tension. Remember, no style is worth damaging your hair or scalp. Okay, before we go further into this video, I just want to take a moment to say a big thank you to all my amazing subscribers. Thank you so much for your support, your love, your comments. It truly means the world to me. And if you're new here, welcome to the family. I'm so glad you're here. I hope you enjoy the content and you stick around. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss any of my future videos. While you're still looking at my face because I'm in pain, let me take a moment to share with you why my scalp might be in pain, or generally because sometimes tension from hairstyles. For a while now I haven't done my hair, so I wouldn't say it's a tension, or maybe it's a tension from the ponytails or buns, the way when you use a band to pack up your hair and then you pull on the scalp and the hair follicles, so it will cause pain and tenderness. So it is very common for us that we always look for protective styles, and we frequently do it. I don't frequently do a protective style. I tend to just put my hair in buns or up to, because I don't have strength to be making my hair, and all the time I feel pain in my scalp. It doesn't worth it. So the only solution for now is to go for a looser braids and give your scalp some break between styles. Not all the time we keep on braiding. You're not giving that your scalp some time to heal. So that's why we do have pains in our scalp. And from mine, I'm just telling you that mine was just because I was packing it up, and I think that is what really caused mine. I pull and make sure, because I wanted it to be slicked down, so I don't want it. I think that's why, because I was pulling my hair, and the follicles and the scalp tends to ache me. And for some people is a scalp inflammation. When your hair follicles inflammation of the hair can cause pain, redness and bumps. When you make your hair and those little bumps, this may be triggered by bacteria or yeast or irritation from any product you are using. So your solution is to just keep your scalp clean, avoid product buildup, and using soothing treatments like tea tree oil or anti-inflammatory and shampoo. Yeah, that would be all for that. And I hope it helps. Once I finished creating the base, I went ahead and tucked my hair neatly into the braids. Please don't mind how this braid is looking. This is the best way or best thing I could come up with. I don't want it so tight, and I was not looking at my back. So yeah, this is exactly, I didn't even know it would come out neat like this anyway. So I'm just tucking my hair, just raising out the loose braids and just tuck my ends in, and yeah, secure it properly, because the last time I did something like this, I cut my hair and I don't want that to repeat. So now it's time to crochet. I'm using these beautiful Gogo Curls as you saw earlier, and they are lightweight, soft, and that gives it a effortless coily look. So at first I started crocheting using my usual method, not really my usual method. I just decided to just tie a knot like this, but I found out it was slippery, so I kind of noticed that it wasn't quite working for this hair. So the coils were slipping and a bit, and it was slippery a bit anyways, and not holding the way I wanted them to. So I switched to another method, the looping method. So you can see me pulling out the loop, and then I'm going to pass the hands like this. This is how I decided to go with, and what I decided to go with anyway. So I call it the looping method. So with this method, I make sure the loop to loop the hair securely through the braids, as you can see, and then tie it off in a way that holds the extension firmly in place without adding too much, bulk, just as you can see in the video. So yeah, this actually makes much difference and really help the crocheting style look more natural and secure. So all you need to do is just create a loop and then pass the rest through that loop, and yeah, that's it. So simple, right? So in the front here, I just created a loop again and just passed one and tighten it, and I still went ahead again to try to create another loop and pass the other one. I don't want the hair to start removing, to start throwing off or wearing off or whatever off anyways. So yeah, it says to me I'm talking too much. Am I talking too much? Let me know. If you have watched this video up to this moment and you are yet to subscribe, please kindly do so. And to my returning subscribers, thank you once more again. You are amazing. You are my MVP, guys. And to my newbies, welcome. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please subscribe and join this beautiful community. Lots more coming your way. Oh, I just remember that some people also have sensitive scalp, and this could also relate to emotional stress, also diet or environmental factors. Even your hormonal change can trigger some scalp sensitivity. So all you need to do is to use a gentle hair product and avoid heavy manipulation. I'm just getting upset as this hair is pulling out. When I got to the front section part of my hair, I wanted to make sure it looked extra neat, so I applied a little bit of braiding gel to lay down the front section I was working on. So this helps smooth out any flyaways and gives the style a polished finish. So I then continue crocheting the rest of the hair until everything was fully installed, and I'm happy with how it turned out. Yeah. So after crocheting this the remaining hair, I actually was looking for some parts which doesn't have which I feel it looks scanty. I kind of added more hair, so I had like 8 bundles, and I actually use all 8. So to finish off this look, I lay down my edges using my edge control again, and I love how that little step just bring out everything together and frame the face beautifully. Now comes the fun part. Styling. I really love that this crochet style is so versatile. I'll be showing you a few different ways I plan to rock this hair from side to side, to have up styles and even a cute pin back look for when I want something quick and easy. And this style is perfect for busy moms like me, or really anyone who wants a beautiful protective style that doesn't take hours and hours to install. So let me know in the comment section what you think about the style. Would you try it, and which of the styles I'll show you soon would would you call your favorite? Let me know in the comment section. Like I said earlier, this is going to be a versatile style, so I apply more edge control. It's more like a braiding gel. I just use it to make sure I lay down the edges and make sure they're looking absolutely gorgeous. So now I'm going to cut, like trim off some of the hair extension, because I feel some of them are longer, so I need to just trim it off, remove excess braids, and so that the hair will be giving me what I really want. So yeah, I think everything is much better now. So yeah, look at this, guys. Isn't this gorgeous? Oh my god, just take a look. Yay. Oh wow, this lady and this hair, they're so pretty. I love this hair. Just look at me. You can tell from my smile. I love the hair. What do you think? Is this one of your favorites? I'll show you the next one and I'll let you decide. So incoming, just let me just turn around, turn around, turn around. Oh my god, I love this hair. Tell me, which vibe is it giving? The next one. Gotcha. Oh my god. Just look at that. It's just like an updo, half up and the remaining one down. Don't you think it's gorgeous? And yeah, is this also your favorite? The next one, please. Wow. So stunning. So stunning. Tell me that you don't love this hair. Just tell me you don't love it. Just look at this. This is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. Is this your favorite one? Let me know. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and join our little family here. I got lots more hair beauty and hairstyle content coming your way, and I would love to have you here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay blessed, my lovelies. Bye for now. Mwah.